This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria mobile. First, familiarize yourself with the intuitive touch controls for movement, jumping, and attacking. Your immediate goal is survival. Gather about 10 pieces of wood and a few stone blocks before nightfall. Use these to craft a workbench, a wooden sword, and a pickaxe. Building a small, enclosed shelter with a door will protect you from the initial onslaught of nighttime enemies, ensuring a safe start to your adventure. Crafting is central to Terraria. Access your inventory to see available recipes based on nearby crafting stations like a workbench or furnace. Build a secure home, ensuring it has walls, a door, and a light source to meet housing requirements. As you expand and add more rooms, various non-player characters, or NPC, will move in, offering valuable services like selling items or healing. Aim for at least 3 rooms to attract your first few helpful residents. Combat in Terraria requires strategy. Use your weapons and movement to your advantage. Explore diverse biomes like forests, deserts, and jungles, each offering unique materials and enemies. Mining deep underground is crucial for finding essential ores such as copper, iron, and silver, which are vital for crafting stronger gear. Always prepare for boss fights by building an arena, crafting potions, and upgrading your equipment to maximize your chances of victory. As you progress, you will unlock higher tiers of equipment, moving from basic wood to powerful metals and magical items. Accessories, like boots or emblems, provide significant stat boosts and abilities, so equip them wisely. Consider building automated farms for specific items or coins to streamline your resource gathering. Eventually, you will face harder modes and challenging events, requiring advanced strategies and optimized gear to conquer the game's ultimate trials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.